Dear friends, welcome back to Civil Conclave Presentations. Today we are going to talk about a commercial project construction from the initial stage till its completion. Construction and design of multi-storied building, that's a commercial buildings. See, these are the various images of the commercial building which has been executed. Built up area is 51,000 square meter, sellable area 17,492 square meter, floors 2 basement, lower basement for utilities and capacities of 38 cars and 42 two-wheeler, upper basement capacity of 67 cars and 42 scooters, third floor retail, lower ground floor, upper ground floor and first floor, 3 floor offices, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, height is 59 feet 6 inches, 10 feet from empty, floor height basement 12 feet, retail floors 12 feet, office floor 10 feet. Total excavation 53,000 cubic meter. Total RCC is 9,700 cubic meter. Total steel is 16,900 metric ton. Cost of the project is 35 crores. This is the project which is executed in 2005. Now the project cost might have escalated according to the prices. Project planning. This is the planning of the particular commercial project. Soil investigation. Value of cohesion is kg per centimeter square. Angle of internal friction is 33 degree. Bearing capacity for isolated footings. Shear failure consideration 27.7 tons per square meter. Settlement failure consideration 70.8 square meter. Therefore, the bearing capacity of the isolated footing is 27.7 tons per square meter. Bearing square capacity of the rock footing. Shear failure consideration 84.6 ton. Settlement failure consideration 41.71 square meter. Bearing capacity of the rock footing is 41.7 tons per meter. Survey. Benchmark was taken to the nearby road as a 0 level. Layout is done in order to locate exact position of the building components on the site as mentioned in the drawing. These are reference lines which whole plot is divided symmetrically, so to easy to locate and communicate about any particular point by referring it with respect to the grid lines. See, this is the levels how it has been taken, which has been shown here by using these methods like auto levels, total station, dumpy level, etc. Column location plan. This is the column layout plan of that particular project. Earth retaining piles. To prevent the collapse of the soil while we are excavating, the shore piling has been done. So, the piling has been done in the following fashions. Configuration of the piles. Total number of piles is 480. Length of the pile is 18 meter approximately. Type of piles board cast in situ. Grade of a concreting is M25. See, this is a section of the pile. It is 600 dia. 620 mm is the external, and the helical stirrups is 8 to 200 mm center to center. This is the top beam of the section. Okay, it is all 820 bars, and top will be 812 bars, and 10 mm center to center is the stirrups. Construction of the piles. See, this is the methodology of the piles which has been constructed at the site has been shown in these images. Excavation. Total depth of the excavation is done 10.2 meter. Total excavation is 53.409 cubic meter. Equipment used Hyundai Robax 210 LC7 Pockland. The image of the same has been shown here. See, this is the way how it has been excavated. Up to 6 meter we done a benching, then we got on further. Concrete. Concreting is a construction material that consists of cement and aggregates. Okay. Concreting is most used other than any man material on the planet. As of 2005, 6 million meters of concrete cubic meter done on each year. The water. This all the following test has been done for obtaining the water which is to be used in the concreting. You can see turbosity, acceptable limit 2.5, color, okay, pH 7 to 8.5, which we got it is 7. Solids is acceptable is 500, we got it 325. Total alkaline 220. Total hardness acceptable is 200, we got it for 160. Calcium acceptable limit is 75, we got it 50. Magnesium 30, we got it 31. Chloride 200, we got it 48. Sulfate 200, we got it 52. Fluorides 1, we required a 0.1. Okay. Iron 0.1 is acceptable, but we got it as a nil. Coarse and fine aggregates. Sample tested as per IS 383. Specific gravity 10 mm 2.65, 20 mm 2.67. Bulk density 1.42 kgs per liter. For 20 mm 1.43 kgs per liter. Water absorption 1.1 percentage, 20 mm 0.3 percentage. Crushing value 17.4 percentage, and it is 17 percentage for 20 mm. Impact value is 12.8 percentage for 10 mm, 17.5 percentage for 20 mm. Aberration value is 20.4, and for 20 is 20.9. Flakiness is 24.6 for 10 mm, 24.2 for a 10 mm. Elongation is 24.4 percentage for 10 mm, 27.6 percentage is for 20 mm. These all the tests carried as per IS 383. Fineness modulus 2.73, silt content is 1.5. These are all the field results. Design mix. We have considered M20 for slabs and beams, M25 for foundation and retaining walls, M40 for columns and shear wall. We done the design mix based on IS 456. Design mix M40 grade concrete. Cement 475 kg, 20 mm 691 kg, 10 mm 372 kg, sand 644 kg, water 182.3 kg. Design mix for M25 concrete. Cement 352 kg, 20 mm 708 kg, 10 mm 472 kg, sand 630 kg, water 181.6 kg. Ready mix concreting. Ready mix concreting, which has been manufactured at a plant and has been delivered at a site by transit mixers. See, this is the methodology of how the transit mixers has been transporting the concreting at the site. Steel. This is the image of the steel. For reinforcing, we use HOSD bars. Okay. We use TMT also due to weldability, strength, ductility, and bendability, meeting the highest quality standards at an international level. These are the images of the steel. We use the brands Bhushan Steel and Joshi Steel. The dia of the steel has been reduced from 8 mm to 32 mm. Safety equipments. Signals has been placed at locations. Everyone wore the helmet. Everyone wore at a height or a safety belt. Safety gloves for the reinforcement and everything. Safety shoes those who are working in the site. Scaffolding. Scaffolding is a temporary framework used to support peoples and material in the construction or repair of buildings or any other large structure. The purpose of working scaffolding is to provide a safe place of work with safe access suitable for the work being done. Scaffolding used for supporting the structure of slab called as a staging. See, this is a method of scaffolding which is being used at a site. Overlap length. According to the 456 2000, see, for a various grade I have identified of various dia and various length of the lap length has been mentioned here. Overlap is given between two different diameter of bars. Value is considered the smaller of the two diameter based on IS 456 2000. Foundations. See, this is the image of the reinforcement for a foundation. Foundation, we had isolated footing, stripe footings, combined footings. Grade of a concreting M25, clear cover 50 mm all around. See, these are the images of the foundation has been tied at the site and after the completion what has been done. Retaining wall. Grade of the concreting is M25, clear cover is 25 mm. See, this is a section of the reinforcement details for a retaining wall. See, this is the methodology of how we do the concreting for a retaining wall. Waterproofing. Products used for waterproofing are Fedalite or Rofe. Method of applications: curing of wall all over, mix of 2:1 RBR and water is respectively to apply with the help of the paint and brush. A coat of cement and sand mortar proportion 1:6 is applied. 16 mm thick plaster mixed with the Rofe is to be applied on the top surface. Column. Grade of concreting M40, clear cover M50 mm. This is a reinforcement arrangement which we used for the columns. This is the way we have constructed the column at the site. You can see all the images. Shear walls. See, this is the image of the shear wall what has been done at the site. This is the reinforcement details. Grade of a concreting is M40, clear cover 50 mm. See, this is the methodology of tying the reinforcement for a shear wall at the column at the site. The shuttering has been done and concrete has been completed. Beams and slab. Grade of concreting M20, clear cover 25 mm for beams, clear cover 20 mm for slabs. See, this is the methodology of how we done the shuttering and done the concreting at the site. These are the various images of how we done the beams and slabs site. This is the conduits has been laid down on the slabs. This is the methodology of the concreting at the site. This is after the completion, the finishing work is in the progress. This is after the removal of the shuttering, how the bottoms has been looked out. Challenge with the piles. Collapse of the piles. Soil has been ripping through the piles. Design. See, this is we done how the design with the start. This is a this is a beam reinforcement for various beams. This is again a slab layout of the reinforcement. Again the column layout. This is the methodology of the stirrups, links, whatever being used at the for a various columns. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for further good presentations. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me with a response will be at the earliest. You can contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Ask Srini Telegram group. The link has been provided as follows. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share so that I can give you further good presentation. Please subscribe. Thank you once again.